Create and save this video. It will help you in future. So this is part of your course. That is experiment for electric circuits. The aim for this experiment is to determine the effect of multiple resistors connected in parallel and as well as in series. As you can see now, we are looking at series connection. Okay, so the apparatus, we have 4 volts power supply. 4 volts, let's just check. 4 volts power supply. Okay, simnandi part. Then we have 3 times 10 ohm resistor. So basingajonga, for example, here sijonge apha, this one is 10 ohms, nale 10 ohms, nale 10 ohms. Okay, so sibe right napha. Then we also have, we need in fact one switch. So I have the open switch here. This one is an open switch, as you can see there. Then we also have connecting wires, 1 ammeter. Ammeter is a device that measure the current. So this is our ammeter and this one is our voltmeter. Okay, we also have another ammeters, so no problem. Then voltmeters must be 2, but we have 1 for now. So mane si connector, si disconnect. Okay, we are going to take the readings. And the diagram yethu siyayikonecta ngoya siqhuba kwi-experiment yethu. Okay, so eyokuqala we are going to connect eyokuqala i-resistor. Okwesibini we are going to connect esibini izitsho zibe mbini, then siconnecte esithathu izitsho zibe ntathu. Okay, so ihamba kanjalo ku-parallel naku-series. So look at parallel wethu. So now parallel wethu, so this one is already connected. Look at the gap. So this one is not connected because of this gap. This one is not connected. Nalena ke ngoku it's not connected. So ngoya siqhuba experiment, so mane si-add 1 siphinde si-add enye sibomba what is happening. So sijonga effect of adding resistors on current as well as on voltage. Okay, so we have the table lapha kufuneka siyifilishile. I-table yethu phaa ine-reading on V1. Oyokuqala ine number of resistors in series okanye number of resistors in parallel. It's a number of resistors 1, 2, 3, as you can see. Sibe no V1, which means we are going to measure the voltage on the first resistor. Sibe ne total voltage, sijonge battery. Sibe ne total current, sijonga ku-ammeter. Sibe no R is equal to V over I, sizombala again. Okay, so let's quickly start experiment. Now you can see up we have the open switch. We have to close the switch. Then is jonge part the reading on voltmeter of the battery. That is 4,00 volts. Then let's check R1 weight. R1 weight 4,000. Okay, now step number 2, we are going to add another resistor, but before that we open the switch so that's not true. Let's open here and put resistor number 2. So I will add resistor number 2 here. Then I will close the switch. I will check with battery 4,000. Remember, battery is a total voltage. Then this is the upper V1, that is R1, 2,000. Don't forget to check the current. What is happening to the current? The current is 0,20 amperes. Right? Then we are going to open the switch to add another one. To add another resistor. So we're going to add resistor number 3 here. Okay, close the switch. We are going to measure a battery. The voltage a battery is 4,00 volts. Then we check on R1. The reading on voltmeter of R1, it's 1,33. Don't forget to check the current. The current is 0,13. Right? So then we are done with this part. Let's go to parallel. On parallel, here we have parallel, how many? So there is only one that is connected for now. Close the switch. Measure a battery. It's 4,00 volts. The current 0,40 amperes. R1 4,00. Then before we connect, we open the switch. So that is our safe. Open the switch, we connect another resistor. So I will add this one, connect here. So 2 resistors are connected. So I'll close the switch. I will check a battery. It's 4,00. Then let's check on R1. Remember, says AJ being 4,00. I will open the switch. So that is our safe. I will add the third one. Nanzia. Right? Close the switch. Check the battery. 4,00. Then sizojonga R1 bakwenzeke ntoni. Sorry, ndigqwethile. 4,00 volts. Don't forget to check the current. For the switch, check the current, check the voltage. Then we are done with this part. That is the experiment of electric circuits parallel na series connection. So we are going to pause the video, take the readings, then we are done. Thank you.